Welcome to another video, 5th grade math, standard of learning. Today we are doing a quick check on fractions and decimals. Our task for today is to match the equivalent fractions and decimals. So we have in a box 0.5, 0.75, 0.875, 0.9, 0.8, 0.25, and 0.416, and the bar at the top means the 6 is recurring. So first, 9 over 10. To convert a fraction to a decimal, we divide the numerator by the denominator. So the first one is 9 divided by 10. When we are dividing by 10 or a power of 10, we move the point one place to the left. So this will become 0.9. And here we have our 0.9. So we're just going to put a little check right there. So 9 over 10 is equal to 0.9. Next, we have a half, and that will be 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2. Let's see. 1 divided by 2. 2 times. How many times can 2 go into 1? No time. Put a point at a 0. How many times can 2 go into 10? 5 times. 5 times 2, 10. So 0.5, a half is equal to 0.5. And here we have our 0.5. A half is equal to 0.5. 0.5. Next, 7/8. We're going to divide 7 by 8. Erase this one. Divide 7 by 8. 7 divided by 8. How many times can 8 go into 7? It's no time, so we put a point and we add a 0. How many times can 8 go into 70? And that is 8 times. We multiply 8 times 8, 64. We subtract, and we are going to get 6. We add a 0. How many times can 8 go into 60? 7 8s, 56. So that is 7 times. Subtract 4. Add a 0. How many times can 8 go into 40? And that is 5 times. Multiply, subtract. So 7/8 is equal to 0.875. 0.875, and we have it right here. We check that one off. 0.875. 0.875. Next, we have 4/5. 4/5, and that is 4 divided by 5. 4 divided by 5. How many times can 5 go into 4? No time. Put a point at a 0. How many times can 5 go into 40? That's 8 times. Multiply and then subtract. So 4/5 is equal to 0.8. And this is right here. This 0.8. Next we have 5/12. And 5/12 is 5 divided by 12. 5 divided by 12. How many times can 12 go into 5? No time. Put a point at a 0. How many times can 12 go into 50? 4 12s, 48. Multiply, we get 48, we subtract, and we get 2 right here. We continue. We add a 0. How many times can 12 go into 20? That is 1 time. We multiply 1 times 12. 12. Subtract. 8. 10 take away 2 is 8. Add a 0. How many times can 12 go into 80? And that is 7 times. 7 12s. Oh, 6 12, 6 times. 6 12, 72. So it is 6 times. And we multiply. 6 times 12, 72. We subtract. And we're going to get an 8. We add a 0. How many times can 12? How many times can 12 go into 80? And we know that is 6 times. Multiply, we get 72. Subtract, and we get 8. Add another 0. We add another 0. And we know it's 6 times. 72. And we're going to subtract, we get 8. So we notice that the 6 is recurring. 72. We subtract and we get 8. So we notice that the 6 is recurring. So we notice that it is 0.41666, and we notice that the 6 is recurring. So how we write our answer, we're just gonna leave just 1 6 and put a bar at the top. A bar at the top to say that, so this will be our answer 4. It will be 0.4. 0.416, and we'll put a bar over the 6, and that tells us that the 6 would keep recurring. So we look for our answer, and it is right here. So 5/12 is equal to 0.41 bar 6. Next, a quarter. So next we go to a quarter, and that is 1 divided by 4. Put this right here. 1 divided by 4. How many times can 4 go into 1? No time. Put a point at a 0. How many times can 4 go into 10? 2 times. 2 times 4, 8. Subtract. Add a 0. How many times can 4 go into 20? And that is 5 times. So multiply, we get 20, and we subtract. So a quarter is equal to 0.25. And next we have 3/4, which would be 3 times. So 3 times 25 is 75. That would be 3 divided by 4. How many times can 4 go into 3? No time. Add a 0. How many times can 4 go into 30? 7 times. Multiply, we get 28. Subtract, we get 2. Add a 0. How many times can 4 go into 20? That is 5 times. Multiply and subtract. So 3/4 is equal to 0.75. And I hope this quick review was very helpful. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Let's straighten up this one a little bit. This is 2 times, add a 0, 12, minus, so we got 8, we're going to add a 0, 72, and we got 8, we're going to add a 0, 72, we're going to get 8, add a 0, 72, 8. Okay.